is Martin Kratky. I'm one of the directors of MedAgility, an Australian specialist for custom business intelligence solutions. In this video, I would like to demonstrate dashboard and analysis options in the current Excel version 2013. Many of the options demonstrated, though, will also be available in earlier versions. What we have here is one of the most powerful business intelligence frontends in the world, and you've probably guessed it, it's Excel. Here, used in conjunction with parking meter data of the City of Sydney. As you recommend for any professional business intelligence solution, Excel is only used as a front-end container with data stored on a central server that's optimized for BI purposes. In this case, a combination of SQL Server and Jedox. The relevant database behind this dashboard contains about 12 million records and enables the user to go down to the single transaction level at a particular parking meter. Still, response times will never exceed more than 2 seconds for this dashboard. So let's go back to our dashboard and have a look at how we can analyze the data here. Of course, we can switch between particular time periods. We can also select combinations of multiple time periods. And then, of course, the user can drill down to specific areas, so for example, a particular precinct in Australia, and then also filter further to the particular level of detail that I'm interested in, like a street, a meter, or a suburb. We can also click on every dashboard element and jump to the underlying detail. So here we see now the underlying data for the dashboard element, and have got now all the options to drill down further or combine it with all the other filters and fields that we have in our model. What we can do here as well is to drill down to the particular records and see all the records that make up the data for this particular field. In this case, as you can see, we've got quite a bit of information here for each meter. So in our dashboard, we have quite a few dashboard elements to analyze information. So for example, the average revenue for the entire hierarchy, so for example by street, by suburbs, by precincts, and by the particular meter itself. We can see the trend with payment types, also the average revenue for different payment types. We can see how the transactions and revenues developed over time, and we can see overall revenues for the selected period and also as a year-to-date information. One of the features that we particularly like in Excel 2013 is the ability to drill down in charts. So for example, we can double-click on Q1, which will bring us to the next level, in this case the month, February, and then one more level down to the particular detail for days. So here we can now analyze, depending on our particular point of view, the daily revenues and see the exact number here, or of course change the point of view and see how the situation develops in those areas, and then in particular even go down to street levels, and if you want to, even down to the specific meter. In our dashboard, we can also go down to a tabular report. There's a sample that we've created here, the levels that I'm interested in, for example, a particular precinct with their respective streets, and down to the single meter again, and with exactly the data that we are interested to see in the time frame that we want to. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the business intelligence features in Excel. Please, as usual, don't hesitate to contact us for any further questions or a demonstration on your data.